Mars is a small planet with a thin atmosphere and 2 moons. But it also has some clues that could point to life. Mars has been observed by humans for thousands of years, as it is one of the brightest objects in the night sky. But it was not until 1610 that Galileo Galilei used a telescope to see Mars as a planet with phases, like the Moon. Since then, many other astronomers have studied Mars and discovered its features, such as its polar caps, its volcanoes, and its canyons. But what about life? Could Mars have ever supported living organisms? And if so, where are they now? Scientists think that Mars was once a warmer and wetter world, with a thicker atmosphere and liquid water on its surface. This could have made Mars habitable for microbes billions of years ago. But something happened that changed Mars dramatically. Mars lost its magnetic field, which protected it from the solar wind and cosmic rays. Without this shield, Mars' atmosphere was stripped away by the sun, and its water evaporated or froze. Mars became a cold and dry desert, with only traces of water left in the form of ice or underground reservoirs. But hope is not lost. There may still be signs of ancient life on Mars, preserved in the rocks and sediments that formed when Mars was more Earth-like. And that's where NASA's Perseverance rover comes in. Perseverance is the latest and most advanced rover to explore Mars, and it has a special mission to search for evidence of past life on the red planet. Perseverance landed in Jezero Crater, a place that was once a lake filled with water and sediments. Scientists think that this lake could have been home to microbial life, and that some of their remains could be embedded in the rocks that formed from the lake deposits. Perseverance has been roaming around Jezero Crater for almost a year, looking for the best rocks to sample and analyze. It has a suite of instruments that can detect organic molecules, minerals, and biosignatures that could indicate life. It also has a drill that can collect rock cores and store them in sealed tubes for future return to Earth. Perseverance has already achieved a major milestone. It has collected the first sample of Martian rock that could potentially contain signs of ancient life. This sample is part of the Mars Sample Return Campaign, a joint effort by NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA, to bring back Martian rocks to Earth for more detailed study in labs. However, this sample will not reach Earth until another decade or so, as it requires another mission to launch a rocket from Mars to orbit, and another mission to capture the rocket and bring it back home. Perseverance is not done yet. It has more samples to collect and more sites to explore. It has just started its second search campaign, where it will climb up the delta that formed from the river that fed the ancient lake. There, it will look for more clues to the history of water and life on Mars. So stay tuned as we follow Perseverance on its amazing journey to Mars. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below.